Hello everybody, it's Mr. Murphy back with another presentation video on the last Murphy's Maths Challenge, which was the Dotty problem, which is all about the maths in Dominoes. So the following four students have again developed the problem, made it their own, or just been committed to making sure their results are displayed really beautifully. So let's get on with it. So the first student to receive a certificate is Melissa Bromley. So we love the work that Melissa did. She explained the pattern and she came up with a generalized formula, and we also love the fact that she used Excel to help her come up with her answers. So very well done to you, Melissa. The next student who stood out is William Cobb. So William, he gave us a work solution to 3 different sets of dominoes. So excellent work to you, William. Thank you very much. The next student is Freddie Hensher. So Freddie Hensher went out of his way to explain how the number of spots is generated. So good work to you, Freddie. And then finally we have Isabella Hensher, and she gave us a beautifully well explained solution. So again, you 4 students will be receiving certificates. Thank you so much for all of your hard work. Again, everybody else, thank you again for taking part and getting stuck in. And again, please make sure you're reading all the notes into Show My Homework, because they will give you some help in how to develop that problem a little bit further and to get you to think a little bit more. So get stuck into it. Really looking forward to seeing your solutions to the next one. Take it easy. Murphy out.